Hey guys, Dan with G23, and we are going to do the second half of the under $30 flashlights. Oh crap, I gotta grab the other one. Okay, so we've got 3 flashlights that we're reviewing, and the first one is this little one, which is the Olight I3 Eos, which is a single AAA battery. It has 44 meters of throw, 90 lumens, and it is IPX8 rated, and they say you can drop it for about 1.5 meters. I don't know if I'd trust that. So they say 90 lumens on this little thing, which it is pretty bright, and you'll see in the little video. Next up is the Streamlight. So this one was $10. This Streamlight Stylus Pro was $25. It takes 2 AAA batteries. It says it has about an 8-hour run time, 100 lumens, and it's 62 meters of throw. I forgot to say the first one has a 44 meter throw. Again, it's takes 2 AAAs. They say 8 hours, 100 lumens, IPX4, and they say, now if you look on their website, it says a meter drop, but if you download the information, it says 1.5, I think, meters. So there's kind of a little confusing information about that. And it says 950 candela. And I didn't say this little one is only 500 candela. This one is the I3 Eos. $30, and a single AA. They say it runs 20 hours on low, which is like 15 lumens, and high is 300 lumens, and then it steps down 2 different times. It's got a 60 meter throw, so 1.5 meter drop, IPX8, and it's 910 candela. And you'll see I have a nighttime footage showing all 3 of these, so we will part these 2 together. Hey guys, Dan with G23, and we've got some flashlights we're going to test out and see cost versus, everything. We're going to start with a Olight I3 Eos. So this has 90 lumens, and it's a single AAA battery. I'll go into more specs during the daytime footage. So that's a $10 flashlight. This here is a Streamlight the Stylus Pro. Paid $25 for it. It's got 100 lumens. And you can see it does a pretty good job. This is two AAAs. And again, we'll go over all the bench top stuff. And last but not least, this here is a i3 Eos. And with this, you have low setting, and then you've got a bright setting, which is 300 lumens. This here is, it's about 30 bucks from Olight. And we will go over during the daytime and do all the specs and show the flashlights. So this will be a two-parter.